got one of your people there. One of your sons, they got Apple Pay cash out.
Hey, Reed, got some cash on them?
No, one of your sons, you got Apple Pay?
Reed, come here.
Apple Pay? You got Apple Pay cash out?
Hell no.
What we really do,
My bad.
They don't have cash, we'll send it to a neutral person. So y'all have cash, and they'll basically just send it to y'all.
Hey, who going to the finish line?
Man,
That bitch don't leave with it. I know. Okay.
Or we can do it like this.
Hey, where the money?
We all, you know what I'm saying? We all good. It's just all we got is cash app, Apple Pay.
I don't do that.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all got cash, whatever.
Yeah, I don't do cash out. I only do cash.
Hey, my boy about to put in. How much you got?
500.
I'm saying, how much you put that on?
100.
I got 100. Hey, I got
300.
400. It's on Apple Pay. It's on
500.
I got all my money on.
That's 300.
Oh, my man.
So you put in 250.
You run on, bro.
You want me to send it to D1?
Nah,
They go to 500 right now.
He got the 500 already.
Unless y'all want to go
What is that?
600.
Or 700.
Y'all give me. God damn, I can't
500.
something.
Oh, damn. What you doing?
Get Reed back 100. Get him back 100. Send him. Hold on.
And I send Reed
Hey,
100.
Reed, he can send you 100.
100 on what? Cash out?
Whatever. Apple Pay cash out.
Yeah.
Yeah, bet.
What this shit?
I'll send you 100 in. You 100 in.
Yeah, bet. Okay. I'm about to send the Reed right now. Cash out.
Okay, we'll get him
got the hit.
I got the hit.
What?
No.
Get that money back.
Hey.
He driving? Nah, he
Who
driving.
going upstairs? Who going on top end?
Hey, somebody got to go on top of it.
And this ain't where we started at either. We started back there, right? And this ain't where we started at either. We started back there.
Who gonna go down there with me? Make sure it's fair.
Hey, who going down right?
All right, you gotta tell him what's up now. Pull up.
They get up,
He did not beat me.
Yeah, man. What is that though?
I can't pass it. Look. Hold on.
Do you know y'all raced? Hold on.
Yes, we raced to your man that was at the car.
No, y'all
Yes, we did.
No. That car was down there. That car was down there. That car was down there. I beat you to 8. I beat you to the 8. Yes, I beat you to the 8.
Y'all do it. No.
Everybody
Everybody right here racing.
Look. He wasn't at the finish line. This is my son. He wasn't at the finish line. He was down there where the car was at.
That's the finish line.
At the car, I can't pass his ass.
Hold on, I'm finna clear it up. Listen,
Eight was the car.
Okay, I'm gonna let y'all talk. Now let me talk. When he went down there, we just told him to go down there real quick just to film the race.
Nah,
so
he
how
was-
y'all? No,
Look,
it wasn't.
He was
We
supposed
told him
to
to
be
get on.
man, cause wasn't nobody down
So
there.
how he know where to just go at?
Where your man was at?
He went to film. Where your man was at, bro?
He was down there with him.
All he went to do was film. They both was at the wrong spot.
You don't have both of y'all keep telling y'all that shit.
You saw that
Good.
I was you
Hey,
first.
I know that. I was locked in.
We got somebody else.
I know I was locked. No, nobody from your team. My team.
Yeah.
My team is down.
No.
I'm flashing. Let me see the
No,
light.
you're not flagging. No, that
That'll
shit
work.
got.
All right,
Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on.
Cameraman down there.
Hold on, bro. Now, why y'all gonna hate on my son?
Oh, God.
And you got your man
flagged.
I
Outrageous, man. Hating like fuck.
You ain't doing that.
He
Turning on the light.
Man, he
You ain't
better
doing
get
that,
dry.
turning
You
on
want
the
him in a
light.
flag race. You crazy?
No,
No,
he
not
races
going
and
for that.
stuff
No.
now. He races and he
I
did.
race.
The
But
light,
you barely
the light
went
came
out here
on.
with no car.
The
You
light
talking
came
shit.
on.
I ain't hearing none of that.
But the light came on
You
your
was
side.
ready
I
first.
never even
What you want me to do? I was right
Hey,
here.
bro,
You was on
listen.
my team.
Hey,
Listen
well,
to
make him
me.
comfortable.
Listen to me.
Make him comfortable.
I was
What you want me
staged
to
up.
do?
I was staged up and all that. Only problem I had.
So when you flash your light, nigga, that means you ready.
That mean I'm ready,
why
but
you
I'm
mean?
thinking you gonna hit the light where I can see it. I can see the light.
When you flash the light, that means you
All right,
ready,
I'm hitting
right?
up here then. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's on top of my head this time.
All right, on top of his head. Let's go.
It's on top of my head. You can see, right? So why you in
I
there
don't
down,
want him
make so?
flagging. Period.
Why not?
Period. Somebody else flag.
See me a drop.
I don't want him flagging.
I don't even know. Like,
Oh man, that's what's up. Can't fuck with that Ford, baby. Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah,
I ain't really out here like that. You know what I mean? But you know, they wanted to do something. It was a good little race. You know, I won the first time. They want to run it back, so you know, proof is in the pudding. I'm glad you stuck around, though. You know what, my man? Here, let me give you a little something for hanging around, my man.
Okay.
For real, for real.
I
My
appreciate
man,
it, bro.
yes sir.
I
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
it. We'll go on in the truck.
Yeah, you a hell of a driver, bro.
Oh, man.
You a hell of a driver, bro. Straight up. You a hell of a driver.
We like 400 in right now. I will go take the supercharger off tonight.
I got my truck ain't even tuned. I need to put E85 on it and all that shit.
I got to do the same thing.
Man, look here. Don't no stock Trackhawk run like that. I done ran them before. I seen it, but the stock Trackhawk don't run like that. I already know.
get your light back.
I already know.
What kind of whoop on there?
Huh?
What kind of whoop on there?
2.8. Yeah.
We stopped though.
Yeah. Hey, my man. Good shit though, baby. I appreciate you.
That was a good race.
All right.
I got everybody else, man.
My man.
Good race.
I see you, bro. All right, man. We gonna get that Mustang ready for that Hellcat. It's gonna be. Oh, you say you want to do something, did you?
I try to car and sit down on
With what?
With the catalyst. With
the Mustang?
With that white money, I go get the car right now.
Oh, you said a Cuddy.
No, I'll race you on the Hellcat.
Oh.
I go get the cutters right now. I go get the cutters right now.
Nah, he ain't ready for
Okay,
you.
you
I
gonna
stay on Old National. I go get that bit right now.
Yeah, he ain't ready
All
for
right, let me see the
Maybe
video
next
now.
week. Maybe next week.
Can he show us the video now, bro?
He got the
You got your
video.
money, bro.
But he got the video.
Can I drive better than the person that drove the first time?
Drove what the first time?
Against you in the truck. He on the phone right here.
He ain't drive the truck.
Yeah.
No, not that truck. I'm talking about the BMW. We just said I'm a hell of a driver, ain't it?
Yeah, you a hell of a driver. Two different cars though.
I'll fuck
feel
you
me?
up. You ain't got no. You ain't.